agigoron or headling. It is the inserting of the prearranged warp threads into the heddles or guron. The weaver carefully inserts the warp threads into the heddles according to the design or pattern being done. Agisubo or weaving, inserting of the warp threads from the heddles into the reed or sugod. Agcarillas or weft winding. From the cones, spools, or rolls of thread, the threads for the weft are wound into bobbins, which would later be installed in the shuttles through the use of the pagkarilyasan or roedo. Weft winding can actually be done from the time the weft threads had been starched.